Hello everyone! In today's video, I am going to walk you through how to enable app lock for Luno. Enabling app lock for the Luno app will primarily depend on your device's operating system and whether Luno itself offers this feature, which it typically doesn't. But here's the breakdown. Now, there's a device built-in app lock for Android. Some Android devices have built-in app lock features. So you need to just go to your device settings, look for security or privacy or a similar section. Then you need to find app lock or app protection. Then you need to select the Luno app and enable the lock. You may be asked to set a PIN, pattern, or use biometric authentication. Now, there are also third-party apps. If your device doesn't have a built-in app lock, you can download a third-party app lock from the App Store. All you need to do is just search for app lock on the Google Play Store for Android or the Apple App Store that is for iOS. Now you need to install a reputable app locker, then grant the app locker the necessary permissions. Once the app locker open the app locker and select the Luno app. Open the app locker and select the Luno app to lock it. Set a PIN, pattern, or use biometric authentication. Now, there's also the device screen lock. This is for all devices. This is a basic but effective method to ensure your device screen lock is enabled. So this all you need to do is just go to your device settings, look for security or display and brightness or something similar. Just set a PIN, password, pattern, or biometric authentication for your screen lock. This will lock your entire device, including the Luno app. Now, here's Luno's biometric login. If available, please note it has to be available. Luno itself might offer biometric login within the app. So you need to just open the Luno app and go to settings or security. Look for biometric login, fingerprint login, or Face ID. Enable the feature and follow the on-screen instructions. This is not an app lock, but an in-app security feature. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thanks for watching.